I was given a task to think of an idea on what to cook and actually cook the dish within a budget of 40 Malaysian ringgit. Well, I would like to say challenge accepted. Okay, so since I'm already at the mart, I'm getting some mushrooms, white shimage mushrooms. Then I'm going to have some bak choy, carrot, fish balls. Yes, fish balls and also fish cakes. So these will be the things that I have. I already have the garlic at home, so I don't have to worry. The other spices as well is already at home, so I don't have to worry about anything. But then these are the few things, except these two drinks. These are mine, but then this would be included in the budget. So yeah, something cheap, something nice. I'll see you back at home. So when you actually want to start cooking, the first thing that you will need will be all of your ingredients. So as on the screen presented to you, these are the ingredients, which include mushrooms, fish cakes, fish balls, garlic, 1 carrot, seasoning of your choice, which normally will be salt, pepper, or any allspice that you own, bak choy, the soy sauce, the oyster sauce, and of course, to have that signature Chinese taste, bean curd paste. And some are also sold in the halal version, as it is a vegetarian-based product, so you can find them in the stores at any time that you want. First off, make sure you wash all the vegetables, as we do not want any anti-parasite or any poisonous materials to be in or on our vegetables when we actually consume it. Once you're done cleaning, get started with cutting up your vegetables, starting with your bak choy. Then you have your carrots. Then you would have your mushrooms. Mushrooms, you would keep it along with the fish cakes and fish balls because it takes much less time to cook these items compared to the bak choy and carrots. Don't forget your garlic as well, as it will provide you with good flavors as you heat it up during the first step of the process. To make it easier for you to actually peel off the skin, make sure you crush the garlics just a little bit. Do not mind the dogs that are crying, because my neighbor's dogs are not in a happy mood today. Hopefully the neighbors will learn to take care of them more, but other than that, we will actually leave the dogs to the care of the neighbors. Coming back to the video, make sure you slice and also finely chop your garlic nicely so that it is easily cooked when you put it in the hot oil. So now we're into the steps for cooking. First, all you have to do is switch on your stove and get your oil heated up just warm enough so that when you put in the garlic, it can have a nice sizzle while it cooks. Once you feel that the oil is hot enough, you can put in your garlic and you can actually just stir it around so that it does not burn. Once you start seeing that the garlic is golden brown, you may actually put in your carrots and also bak choy. So as you stir around and when you feel that the vegetables have started to absorb some of the oil and start cooking, you can put in water for the gravy later on for your dish. Stir it around for a few minutes until you feel that the carrots and the bak choy is softer than it was before. Then you can actually put in your fish balls, fish cakes, and also mushrooms. Once that is done, stir it around for a few minutes so that it is able to evenly cook. And while that is being done, you can actually put in your flavorings or your spices. For this case, we would be placing in oyster sauce, some soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of the bean curd paste, some salt, and also the king of flavor, MSG.
Agak-Agak.
Once you place in all of the flavorings or ingredients, you can actually stir it around
for a few minutes and leave it to cook for roughly 3 to 5 minutes, depending on how you want the crunchiness to be.
Agak-agak, you wait.
Don't forget to taste to make sure that the taste is up to your expectation. And there you have it, Chinese style bak choy with an assortment of toppings that I have added to enhance the flavor according to my liking. I hope this video can be an inspiration for you to try a Chinese style dish that is halal and easy to make any time of the day.